I went for an MRI scan, and now ilambu had gotten to a point where if I lie on my back, like seriously, and I was very worried, I was very concerned. And now Dr. Ngoku, they had started asking me questions around cancer. I had never had a day where I went for consultation and cancer is not mentioned. I would even go to Google to check uba Mount cancer, how long do you live? And Google will scare you. Google would say not more than 5 years. So when I was reading not more than 5 years, I just had to go and make sure that I add more on my policies because I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna be dying at. Now it was my first time bonba ibone yeback yomntu injani when they were taking me pictures and videos of my back. They took skin sonke. So there was a very deep and a big hole. And I used to be very chubby. So they cut it until ubone ukuthi lo muntu angafaka nezandla zakhe. As a result, people were cleaning me because ufaka izandla zoyi-2 and clean me because I had a very big hole. Hey, now I go to the ward. I'm still very weak with a very big hole there. Obviously, I'm struggling to walk. I'm struggling to do everything. And I will ask the nurses, Helen Joseph, please help me, please feed me. Those women would shout at me.